Hi kids, so we have reached type 5 questions of quadratics. So let's begin with them. So we have a criteria C question here where you are given a function which is a quadratic function, and then you are given some questions. Using that function we will answer this question. So a ball is thrown upwards with a velocity of 20 meters per second. So eventually ball, when it's going up, it will slow down and go to a highest point, there it will stop and then it is going to return. See, so, and because the velocity is decreasing and then again increasing, it is obviously a quadratic function. The motion is defined as a quadratic function. So here they have given height after time t. See, after first second it reaches some height, second second, third second, fourth second, fifth second. At some point it is going to reach the highest point, right? And then it is going to fall. The time taken to go up is equal to time taken to come down. So that's part of physics. But here we have direct, they have given us the direct function which the ball is following. So we'll use that. After how many seconds ball reaches its maximum height? So maximum height ht, when see the word maximum. See the word maximum here. Whenever you have something called maximum in a quadratic, where it is, yeah, you have to find the vertex. So let's go ahead and find vertex of this. Vertex is minus b over 2a. What is b? Negative. Minus b is 20 and 2a is negative 2 times 5. Negative 20 by negative 10 is 2. So the first answer is after 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, the ball will reach its maximum height. Very simple. What is the maximum height? Now, y coordinate of the vertex, this is x coordinate of the vertex. Apply this in the main function, you will get the maximum height reached by the ball. Let's apply. So maximum height equals to minus 5, 2 square plus 20 times 2 plus 2. So it is negative 20 plus 40 is 20, 22, which is 22 meters. So the maximum height reached with the ball is 22 meters. In how much time does it reach there? In 2 seconds. Okay. When does the ball hit the ground? Third question. Hit the ground. At ground level, what is the height? Height is 0. So that means h of t is 0. So we can write the function minus 5t square plus 20t plus 2 equal to 0. So find the quadratic. Using the quadratic formula, you will get two values of t. I will use the calculator here. So I am getting 4.09 seconds. I get two values of t, 4.09. Another value of t which I get is minus 0.097. So what I do, because time cannot be negative, I omit this and take this as our answer, because time cannot be negative, it's always a positive thing. Okay, done this question. So pause, understand and copy. Okay. Now revenue maximization. Many factories make different products and they get revenues, right? Revenue is from sales. Whenever they sell, the amount of money what they get is called revenue. And they have given a quadratic function revenue based on number of products. So here they are selling X units. Suppose they sell 10 units, you have to apply 10 here and get the value, what is the revenue. If they sell 100, so you have to apply this. Okay. Now they are asking how much they should sell so that their optimum value or revenue is maximum. You see, this is a quadratic function, correct? So obviously a vertex will define us the maximum revenue and the number of products when the revenue is maximum. So let's calculate the vertex. For here, vertex will be, your vertex is h equals to minus b over 2a, which is minus of 120 over minus of minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So it is 30. So they should sell 30 units. Okay. H here is x, right? So they should sell 30 units. to maximize revenue? So first answer is 30 units. 30 units they should sell. Okay. Now what is the maximum revenue? Input this 30 in this function, you will get your function. So max revenue will be equal to minus 2 30 square plus 120 times 30, 900 minus, this is 1800 and this is 3600. So answer is dollar, this minus this, which is 1800. So their maximum revenue is $1,800. $1,800. Okay, clear? So second question also very easy. Now let's do the next one. Profit optimization. See, revenue and profit are two different things. Profit is revenue minus cost. Okay. So here they have given directly function of profit. So we don't have to find the profit function. Direct profit function is given and this is the X number of units sold. What will you do? Once again, because they are asking you maximize profit, so directly find the number of X units. How will you find? Find the vertex. So let's go ahead and find vertex. So because X is the number of units, so I will write minus B over 2A minus 24 over 2 times minus 4, 4. Right. So they should sell 4 units to maximize their profit. Okay. Now what is the maximum profit? Apply this 4 here. So I will write here answer 4 units and maximum profit, apply it here, minus 4 square plus 24 times 4, negative 16, 16 minus 4, negative 64 plus 96 minus 16, right? 80 minus 64 is 16. They will make $16 as maximum profit by selling 4 units. Okay, if this is the function. Okay. 64, 16, correct. So my answer is right. So let's do the next one. Now here it's a practical scenario. Area of rectangle. They say the length of rectangle is 5 meters more than its width. So imagine a rectangle whose width is x. So length is 5 meters more, so write x plus 5, right? And the area of the rectangle is 60. What is the area? This area is 60. So how does this come? Area is length times width. So x into x plus 5 equals to 60. You just, so make it a quadratic, x square plus 5x, get the 60 over here, minus 60 equal to 0. Okay. Now find the value of x, use quadratic formula, it will be fast. 1, 4, it is 5.63, x equals to 5.63 and another x value I get as minus 10. Can I take negative 10? I can't, because length cannot be negative. So we have to omit this value and take this value as the proper width. Now what is this length? So dimensions of the rectangle is, this is 5.63 and this is 5 plus 5.63, which is equal to 10.63. So width of rectangle we already have found, length also we have found. Although they were not asking, the answer was 5.63. Okay. Can we go to the next one? A farmer wants to build a rectangular fence against a river. So one side is river, this is river. He wants to make a rectangular fence here. This side is river, so he will not put any fence here. He will put fence only on 3 sides. Okay. He has 100 meters of fencing. So this plus this is 100. Okay. So if I take width as x, so obviously this side will also be x. So already have 2x, right? So out of 100, 2x is gone. So that will be the length of the length. So we had total 100. Sum of all the 3 sides is 100. So now you remove x and remove x. So you are removing 2x from where? 100. So the balance is 100 minus 2x, right? Now we know that this plus this is 100, and we want to maximize the area, right? So area is length times width. So let's write area. Area is x times 100 minus 2x. What is the area function? Area based on x we are getting 100x minus 2x square. Okay. Now if you have to maximize this, what do? Find the vertex. Let's find vertex. X will be equal to minus b over 2a. b here is 100, negative 100 by negative of negative 2, which is 50. How do we get this? No, this is 2a, na? So it is 2 times negative 2, 100 divided by 4 is 25. So this is 25, okay. Now this side is also 25 and this side is 50. So now you know the dimensions of the garden. So what are the dimensions of the garden? It should be 50 meters in length and 25 meters wide. Then he will get the maximum area because we used the optimization in quadratics, okay. So pause, write after every question, understand, pause the video, try to understand what I was telling and then write it. Try to write without seeing here. If you are not able to proceed further, go back to the video and see what I was doing, okay. So let's proceed next question. Break-even analysis. Here see I was talking of profit is sales minus cost. So here they have given us two functions. One is cost function and another is revenue function. Revenue is sales. When you sell something you get revenue or you call the total sales. So revenue minus cost gives us profit and they are asking us break-even analysis when it neither makes any profit or loss. So we can say profit is 0 or loss is 0. So first let us calculate profit function. I am writing profit as P. Okay? Profit is always revenue minus cost, right? Revenue minus cost. You directly have two functions. Rx is what? This is given as 15x minus x square minus 5x plus 20. I have just written that directly those expressions. Subtract from here. So it will be 15x minus 5x becomes 10x, right? And negative x square plus 20. This is profit function. Can I organize it in proper way? Square first, then single x and then the constant term. So my profit function is negative x square plus 10x plus 20, correct? You understand this? Profit is revenue minus cost. So we did the revenue function, subtracted the cost function, we got a quadratic. Now, no profit, no loss. So this is profit, no loss means profit should be equal to 0. So equate this to 0 and solve the quadratic. You will get number of products to be sold, which is our x, okay? How do you do that? You have to solve this quadratic, right? So we will see what is our x value. I get 11.7, x is 11.7 or x is minus 1.7. So can I make 0.7 product? No. So I will make and sell only 11 products. 11 products so that I don't have any profit or loss, okay. I can't make negative products, so you have to omit this. So now you know optimum number of products which will not give us any profit or loss, okay. So with this we come to end of this question and we will see you in the next type of videos. Thank you. Keep practicing.